Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Hopefully you're doing well. In today's video, I want to talk specifically about how to make money as a Warrior Plus affiliate. So I previously talked about ClickBank before on this channel. I've also talked about JBZoo, and now I want to talk about another big affiliate marketplace known as Warrior Plus, and how you can get started on it, how you can start making money on it, how you can start promoting their products. But anyways, before I really get into things, if this is the first video you're seeing on this channel, I talk primarily about affiliate marketing, how to really grow a business online, different ways of making money online. So if that is a thing that interests you and you want to learn more, then definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. Just click the subscribe button down below and tick the bell icon to be notified of all the new videos that I post on this channel. But without further ado, let's talk about Warrior Plus. This is actually not one that I haven't really talked about much in this channel, but I'm fairly excited to talk about this one. But anyway, so to get started as a Warrior Plus affiliate, what you would want to do if you haven't done so already is you will want to create a Warrior Plus account. To do that, you'll just want to go up to this, the Warrior Plus website, click the free sign up button right here, and you pretty much just fill in some basic information, name, email, location, yada yada, all that type of usual stuff that you fill out whenever you sign up for a new website. You fill all that out, and then once you have your account set up, then that's when you can log in to your account. Once you log in, you'll be brought to this page here where you could actually check out the different offers that are available. You can look at, what's in there in the marketplace, and then you can promote their products as an affiliate. So right here, I'm on the little dashboard page when you first log in, and it shows as of right here, these are like the top 10, I guess, top 10 best-selling products right now. So, it shows like Listify is like at the top, Allure, The Lost Code, Meta Dominator, so you can pretty much look through those there. Otherwise, what you could do is go to affiliate, and then under that, you just click on the offers button. And then this will bring you a list of different offers that are available. You could check them out. And then you could, if you want to promote any of these products, you could pretty much request access to them. So here is a list of the products that they have. We've got Viral Newsjacker Pro. We've got MobiFirst Migrate. I've actually reviewed the original MobiFirst back when it first launched, actually. There's Rapid Profix Pro, CB Moneyvine VIP. I mean, you could pretty much look through them, and you can check out the offers there. Let's say that I want to check out, I don't know, Viral Newsjacker Pro. So it shows that the launch date, 10/10/19, October 10th, 2019. Sales, it's made over 2,000 sales. Conversion rate is 35%. Which is pretty good. Visitor value, $14.50. The average sale amount would get you about $41.79. So it looks like for each sale that you make of Viral Newsjacker Pro, you would get around $41.79. So that's pretty good. Pretty decent for one sale. And then right here, if I want to request access to the product, I could just click on this button right here, and likely I'll just write like a short message, like, hey, may I have access to review this product. So much like JBZoo, you do have to request access to in order to get approved to promote a product. Whereas ClickBank, you can just go to any product, you just get your affiliate link right away. But JBZoo and Warrior Plus work a bit differently. But if I want to check out Viral Newsjacker Pro, I would of course want to check out the actual offer first before actually promoting it. One of the biggest problems with a lot of people is they decide that they want to just spam an affiliate link out there just for the sake of making money. But you always want to make sure that whatever you decide to promote, it's always something that you truly believe in yourself. You have a good understanding of what it could actually offer to the marketplace, and you want to make sure that it's something that you actually are passionate about. So in this case, it looks like, okay, so Viral Newsjacker, ethically steal and reuse trending viral news to get 100% free traffic that leads to sales and commissions. Viral Newsjacker creates self-updating news sites that look stunning. So that's pretty cool. We've got the sales page right here. If I want to check that out, I can just click on that, and it'll bring up the little sales page where I can check it out here. So it's loading up right here, and then it's going to show me, it's going to give me more information about what the product is all about. So 100% done for you automated income sites. It's loading a bit there. I'm going to scroll down a bit here. Looks like my PC is once again being a bit slow whenever I do these videos, but I'm going to scroll down a bit here. And they've got a little video here pretty much explaining what the product is all about. I'm not going to, waste time playing the video right here, but so that's, that if I want to, of course, watch that. But then I could, scroll down, and then I could, if I want to, I could buy the product right here. Now, the way this works is anytime that once you, get approved to promote this product, you will be given your own affiliate link. So to do that, you just click on this button right here that says request approval. And then from here, you just you could choose to either include a message, otherwise you could just hit request offer. And in most cases, I believe most of these vendors will approve you. Otherwise, if it's for a certain product that is like, say, like of higher quality, sometimes a lot of these vendors that are providing, like, especially like like higher ticket items, they may not want just anyone and everyone promoting their product, because they want actual quality affiliates that actually know what they're doing to promote the product. So just trying to apply to as many as you can. Find products that you have a good understanding of. You actually ideally, I would actually also recommend testing out the product yourself, seeing if it's something that you truly believe in. And then if you believe that's something you can get behind, then you could request approval. And then once someone grants you access, then you could choose to promote one of their products. Now, the question is, how exactly do you go about promoting products off of Warrior Plus? Well, see, the problem with most people is that when they come online, they promote products in the very wrong way. What they want to do is they get their affiliate link, and then they decide to spam it all over social media, drive a bunch of random clicks to their offer, hoping that if they get enough random people to click on their link and watch the video is just magically going to do all the selling, and they're going to become rich overnight. Well, that isn't really the case, unfortunately. Most people generally don't. Most people don't buy things like that. They need to see the offer multiple times, for one, and they need to actually know whether or not it is something actually worth buying. So the way that you really get around this, and the way that you actually can position yourself for people to actually trust you and actually know that what you are promoting is likely actually good, then what you would ideally want to do is you really want to focus on actually building a connection with your audience. Now, there's really two ways that you can go about this. There is of course the free traffic method, which is either starting a YouTube channel. It could be starting a blog as well. But I would, or maybe like a like a Facebook fan page or profile. But I would ideally recommend going for like YouTube as like like a free traffic source, because YouTube nowadays is becoming the platform where almost everyone is going to to learn new things online. It's like websites are starting to become a bit less relevant when it comes to consuming information. Most people generally tend to prefer watching videos, and if you could actually put yourself out there, and especially on a rather consistent basis, you put out videos regularly, and you talk about how people can solve certain problems in the niche you're going into, then this is going to allow you to I mean, not of course right away, but as you continue to post content regularly, you will eventually start to build up an audience that actually know, like, and trust you, because these are people that are actually seeing who it is you are, and anything that you recommend, they already know that since they know you, they're going to be much more interested in buying from you rather than the average person who's just spamming their affiliate link out there. So there's plenty of channels out there that are doing reviews of, say, like this product right here, Viral News Jacker. I'm sure if I search it up into YouTube, I will find plenty of videos that are talking about that. Viral News Jacker. Let's see if I look that up. Viral News Jacker Pro review. I'm sure if I look this up, I'll find yeah. So like here's some videos right here that pretty much go over it, and these are all YouTubers that okay, so 5.6 thousand views, 1.1 thousand views. So when people actually see an actual person on video talking about the product, going exactly what it has to offer, and actually providing them with valuable information on how they can of course make an informed decision, people who actually watch that video are going to be much more interested than those who just go straight to the sales page. So that's what a lot of people are trying to do, is they are just sending a bunch of traffic to their own affiliate link straight to the sales page, hoping that if they get enough people on this video, that it will just convert right away. Well, that's one of the thing that you got to keep in mind. Pre-framing is by far the #1 most important thing. If you aren't focusing on, of course, building a connection with your audience, if you aren't focusing on putting yourself out there as someone who is actually unique, someone who is putting out lots of valuable information, then it's going to be much harder for you to actually make sales on whatever it is that you are recommending. So I would highly recommend, if you decide to go the free traffic route, you could either start a YouTube channel, which is what I highly recommend. I think starting a YouTube channel is by far one of the smartest things you could do if you have a very long-term mindset, because YouTube is by far one of the most powerful sources of traffic now, especially nowadays with since it's video, people when someone they see you, they actually trust you a lot more. And keep in mind, YouTube is also a search engine, so much like Google, people are constantly looking up ways on how to either make more money, how to get into better shape, how to pretty much anything, how to get better relationships or whatever the case may be. And if you have videos out there that when someone searches a particular phrase like viral newsjacker pro, and your video or your blog post gets brought up in the search results, well, that's some of the most powerful traffic that you could really get, because people are of course seeing your video. As long as your video remains on YouTube or on the search engines, then as anytime someone searches up that particular topic, and if your video is ranked, then your video is pretty much like a 24/7 salesperson, pretty much working for you, pretty much on autopilot, pretty much, and you get to make commissions for any time someone watches your video and decides to purchase the product that you're recommending. So really think about that for a minute. That is by far some of the most powerful traffic that you could really get in the long term. It isn't something that you could fully depend on right away, but it is something that can really help in the long term. So that is the free traffic route that I would recommend going in if you decide to go that route. Otherwise, there's also the paid traffic route. You could do things like Facebook ads, you could do YouTube ads. You could also do solo ads, although I wouldn't fully recommend that, since solo ads are kind of like, in my personal opinion, I think solo ads in a way are kind of like a lottery ticket for entrepreneurs. It's like you kind of put money in one direction, you just paste in your link, and you just kind of hope and pray that you make more money in return. It doesn't really take much effort at all, and that's why everyone's doing it. Much like the average person that buys lottery tickets, they do it because it's very easy to do, and they think, well, what do I have to lose, really? A few bucks. So probably wouldn't recommend doing solo ads much in the long term. But one cool site that I want to share actually is, let's say that I'm promoting this product, right? viralnewsjacker.com. I want to promote this product right here, and I want to use some paid traffic to actually get to this actual offer here. So what I could do is I can go over to a site called SimilarWeb.com. SimilarWeb.com. This is a very cool site. This allows you to pretty much see exactly, you could spy on your competitors and see exactly what paid traffic sources that they are using to promote this actual product. So on Warrior Plus, it showed that this product had over 2,000 sales, I believe. But if I go over to SimilarWeb and say I paste my link right here, I think you got to delete the HTTP part. So viralnewsjacker.com. If I just put this in the search bar here, it'll show exactly, all the information that I need to know in regards to where a lot of the traffic is coming from, country rank as it shows right here. But if I scroll down a bit, okay, it looks like the traffic part here isn't, showing up, but referrals isn't showing up. What? Okay, I'm kind of disappointed now. All right, usually when I, paste in a link, it would show the data for that, but I guess in this case, it doesn't fully have enough data for that to show up. So I'm going to try pausing this video, and I'm going to come back, and I'm going to see if I can get another offer in here. One sec. All right, so I just put in another offer here. I found this other product off of Warrior Plus. It's called High Ticket Hijack Pro. So I put in this link, inside of the SimilarWeb, search just like before, and I've got some information. This time, it actually did show, a lot of more information. So it shows, traffic overview. Shows a lot, in terms of where the traffic is coming from. Total visits, over 100,000 visitors. Shows, exactly where, the percentage of, where the visitors are coming from. So it looks like in this case, most of the traffic is coming from United States, with United Kingdom being, in second place, so on and so forth. Shows the different, traffic sources. Referrals, not enough data. Search, 100% organic. Looks like this keyword was used to actually go to the site. And then if I go a bit down, social, and it shows 0.13% is coming from social traffic, and it shows all that is from Facebook. So that should say that, okay, so Facebook is likely a great platform to use if you are doing, social traffic, social media. But if I come down a bit more, there's this section here that says display advertising. It says 0.12% traffic is coming from the display ads, and it shows the website is Quora.com. So Quora, I'm sure you're fairly well familiar with Quora.com. If I go over to the website, I believe there is a section where you could actually set up an ad if you want to promote, this exact product here, hightickethijack.com. Usually the more popular the product is, the more data will be, actually inside of SimilarWeb. So something that I would actually recommend if you're just starting out is look for products that are in high demand, products that are doing very well. Even if it has, more competition, you may think, well, if there's more competition, it may be harder for a newbie. But I would actually recommend, if you're a newbie, starting with products that have already lots of, competition. And generally, the more competition, it generally means, the more money there is to be made. But let's say I scroll down to the bottom of Quora.com. I believe there is a section down at the bottom that should be like if you want to set up an ad on Quora.com. Let me see if I can find that real quick. Here it is. So you just click on your little profile in the top right, and then you click on Create Ads. And then you could set up an ad on Quora.com. So this is actually my very first time actually looking into this. But you could actually set up an ad on Quora.com, and then you could promote, this product here, hightickethijack.com. So when you see there's actual results on, inside of SimilarWeb for Quora.com, that likely says that someone has, of course, likely try that, and chances are that they, money has been made by actually doing this exact strategy here. So what you could actually do is go through the steps of setting up an ad on Quora. You select your currency amount, and then you can go through the steps of, setting up an ad. So, of course, you'd want to, of course, likely have, an image that you would, of course, want to use, maybe a video, put in some good, ad copy. And, I don't want to, guarantee that if you do this, you're going to make money right away. But as long as you continue to do this, consistently, and you are continue to, tweak your ad, you make adjustments as you go, then eventually, if you stick at this long enough, you can definitely make some sales by doing this exact search strategy here. So to go over this again, there's a free traffic route you can go, starting a YouTube channel, website, blog, or you could decide to do paid traffic, which is, coming to SimilarWeb, seeing what your competitors are doing, other affiliates that are promoting this exact product as well. And then you could pretty much kind of follow in the footsteps of them. You could also do Facebook ads or YouTube ads, but whatever you decide to do, you will want to, of course, remain fairly consistent with it. The more consistent you are, the more likely it is that you will make money. So a lot of times people tend to, I tried this once and I didn't make sales right away, so it doesn't work. Well, it's something that, anything regarding, affiliate marketing or starting an online business usually takes a lot of time. You cannot, expect to just, put in a certain dollar amount or put out one video and expect to make money right away. But whatever it is that you decide to go with, whatever method of promoting the product you decide to go with, you always want to make sure that you are fully consistent with it. The more consistent you are, the easier it is going to be for you to make sales in the long term. So that's really how to get started with Warrior Plus. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a like, leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts. If you actually plan on doing some affiliate marketing on Warrior Plus as well, definitely be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you would like to learn more about how to build an online business through affiliate marketing, you want to actually go deeper. I know in this I didn't, fully show like how to set up an ad and all that other type of stuff because I don't want this video to get, dragged down, like forever. I see that video has already been kind of long, but if you want to dive deeper into affiliate marketing, you want to learn more about how to actually do that, then I do have a 4-day training you can get access to. It is the first link in the description down below, and that will show you the 4 main components you must have in place to really build a long-term business online. So if you really want to do this, it's like a full-time thing, and you want to create passive income through affiliate marketing, then that free training will show you exactly how to do just that. So be sure to check out that training there. And anyways, give this video a like, leave a comment down below, letting me know your thoughts. But anyways, take care.